ResMed has designed a mask that caters to female sizing needs. It's been created based on extensive female head measurement data. AirFit F10 for her comes with a small-sized frame, headgear, and cushion, tailored to fit the majority of women. The headgear is finished in soft pink tones with gray highlights. The patient can position the lower part of the headgear over or under the hair to suit their hairstyle preference. AirFit F10 for her is available in an extra small, small, or medium size. AirFit F10 is the right fit for you.